Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P0456 indicates that the Evaporative Emission EVAP system has detected a very small leak. This code is crucial for ensuring that harmful fuel vapors do not escape into the atmosphere. The components involved in this system include the EVAP canister, which captures fuel vapors from the fuel tank, and the fuel tank pressure FTP sensor, which monitors pressure changes in the fuel tank. The EVAP system utilizes an engine-off natural vacuum EONV method, monitoring for leaks when the engine is off. When pressure drops or does not stabilize as expected, it can trigger this code. Given the environmental regulations and the need for efficient operation, understanding and addressing this code is vital for maintaining vehicle performance and compliance. The DTC P0456 involves several key components of the EVAP system, including the EVAP canister, which is typically located near the rear of the vehicle near the fuel tank. The EVAP canister purge valve, often found on or near the engine, and the FTP sensor, located at the top of the fuel tank. The EVAP canister plays a vital role in capturing fuel vapors from the fuel tank and directing them back into the engine to be burned off, thus preventing emissions into the atmosphere. The EPROM system's functionality relies on detecting changes in fuel tank pressure, as monitored by the FTP sensor. When the engine is off, the pressure should stabilize, indicating no leaks. A deviation from expected pressure values can result in the detection of a very small leak, which will trigger DTC P0456 for further investigation. There are several potential causes for DTC P0456 to be present. The most common cause is an EVAP system leak, which could arise from various components, such as a damaged EVAP canister or a leaking purge valve. Another possibility is a faulty fuel tank pressure FTP sensor. If this sensor is malfunctioning, it may not provide accurate readings to the powertrain control module, PCM, leading to erroneous conclusions about the system's integrity. Additionally, loose or damaged hoses connecting different components of the EVAP system can contribute to leaks. It's important to methodically investigate all these areas when diagnosing the cause to effectively resolve the issue. When DTC P0456 is triggered, one of the most noticeable symptoms is the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a problem. In addition to the MIL, other symptoms may include poor fuel economy, as engine performance can be affected by improper fuel vapor management. Rough idling or hesitation during acceleration may also be experienced, resulting in a less smooth driving experience. These symptoms can degrade the overall drivability of the vehicle, indicating that the issue should not be ignored and requires immediate diagnosis and repair. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0456 is to inspect the EVAP system components for any signs of leaks or damage. Start by visually examining the EVAP canister, purge valve, and associated hoses, looking for cracks, loose connections, or obvious wear. Pay particular attention to the area where the hoses connect to the canister and the fuel tank. Use a smoke machine if available, as this can help detect even the smallest leaks not visible to the naked eye. Document any findings, as this information is valuable for further diagnosis. A proper inspection can often pinpoint the issue without requiring complex testing or replacements. Once any visible leaks are accounted for, the next testing phase involves performing an EVAP function test using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool. During this test, the technician will evaluate the performance of the EVAP system under controlled conditions. It's crucial to follow the specific instructions for the EVAP test, which may involve running the vehicle in certain conditions to ensure accurate results. Make sure to check all parameters, including fuel tank pressure readings, and look for any discrepancies. The function test will help to validate whether the issue lies with the EVAP system components themselves, or if the fault is related to the FTP sensor or control module. After repairs have been completed, the final verification step involves clearing the DTC from the vehicle's memory and monitoring the system's performance during a test drive. This process should involve driving the vehicle under conditions similar to those experienced prior to the repair, ensuring that the original issue does not reoccur. Pay attention to any new DTCs that may appear during this drive cycle, and examine the vehicle's performance metrics to verify the repairs have addressed the problem. A thorough diagnosis, followed by successful verification, ensures that the P0456 code has been resolved completely. To minimize the chances of encountering DTC P0456 in the future, it's essential to practice regular preventative maintenance on the EVAP system. Routine inspections of the EVAP canister, purge valve, and their associated hoses can help to detect wear or leaks before they escalate into larger problems. Additionally, closely monitor the fuel system for any unusual behavior, such as a sudden drop in fuel economy or notifications of the MIL lighting up. Keeping a regular service schedule and promptly addressing any concerns can significantly extend the lifespan of the vehicle's emission system and maintain compliance with environmental regulations. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0456 and its implications on your Honda Accord is crucial for both maintaining optimal performance and adhering to environmental standards. The EVAP system plays a vital role in managing fuel vapors, and any faults can result in increased emissions and poorer fuel economy. A step-by-step troubleshooting approach allows for accurate diagnosis and efficient repairs. Additionally, adopting preventive maintenance strategies ensures the longevity of the EVAP components and reduces the risk of future issues. By being proactive and vigilant, Honda owners can ensure their vehicles perform reliably and sustainably. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.